Leasing versus buying a car is akin to renting versus owning a home. Leasing can be attractive because your monthly payment might be lower. But just like renting, um, you don't own the car at the end of the lease, creating potential frustrations for many. When you lease, you agree on a set mileage limit. Um, Exceeding it can incur significant additional fees. These fees often surprise many new lessees. Keep track of your mileage diligently or face these potential expenses. Um, Being aware is key. Buying, on the other hand, means each payment brings you closer to owning your car outright. While monthly payments might be higher than leasing, there is a gratifying sense of ownership. Um, Plus, no mileage cap means freedom for those spontaneous road trips. What about depreciation? New cars lose value quickly. Some people find solace in leasing because they're not impacted as much by depreciation. It can, sting less than thinking about your car's diminishing resale value. Don't underestimate that financial buffer. However, keep this in mind: leasing can limit car customization. Modifications could result in penalty fees upon the return of your leased vehicle. It can be a creative constraint if you're into customizing. Passionate car modifiers, take note. Pro tip: warranty coverage is often better with leases since they're tied to new vehicles, and this can mean fewer unexpected repair costs. It's a hidden gem for those wary of maintenance troubles. Often lessees enjoy a worry-free experience. On the flip side, buying might feel costlier upfront, but offers flexibility. You're free to decide when to sell or trade in without hassle. That freedom can't be overstated. Financial peace of mind sometimes isn't captured by numbers alone. Are you someone who craves the latest models every few years? Leasing can cater to this desire with minimum hassle. It's designed to keep you on fresh wheels. In this respect, it's an option worth considering. Tastes and needs might drive this choice. Some folks dislike the permanence of a purchased car. Lives, just like cars, evolve. A leased vehicle offers an easier exit. For some, that level of flexibility feels priceless. It's a lifestyle enabler, if you think about it. Who should lean towards buying? It's, if you drive a lot, those lease mileage caps can be limiting. Um, uh, Plus, a paid off car means no payment at all forever. Consider this: if having no monthly expenses is a future goal. Lifelong car ownership has financial perks. Another pro tip: calculate the total cost of leasing versus buying over a set period. Often, leasing may seem more cost effective, but can cost more in the long run. It's misleading if not properly analyzed. Numbers don't lie. When scrutinized carefully, ultimately, the choice boils down to priorities. Want predictability, consider leasing. Desire unbound ownership, buying may be your route. What's most important is aligning with your current lifestyle and future aspirations. Here's to driving with peace of mind.